Guys, my mom just got my dad for Father's Day this MANSCAPED Weed Whacker electric nose and ear hair trimmer. Wow. Dad, let's see all that thicket up in there. Oh, wow. It's got like the Amazon rainforest living in there. Oh, my word. So, Dad, what were you doing before you had the MANSCAPED Weed Whacker?
Well, normally I just kind of, every time I see some hair come down there, I try to grab hold of what I could and rip it out.
Ugh.
But
Obviously, that's not working.
that didn't work too well.
No, it didn't. No.
So I'm excited to try
let's
this.
test it. Let's see what is in the box. First, there are some instructions. Probably don't need those. Probably just shove it up your nose. And
It's self-explanatory. Let's see
Yep.
here.
So let's see. And so okay. So here's the nose hair trimmer. Let's see it.
Oh, it's pretty sleek looking.
And what else is in this little baggie? It's
Oh, USB cable.
a little charger. And here's a
Maybe I could do this when I'm driving.
little charger for it. And then what's this last thing in here? Oh, it's a little brush. It's a pretty little brush. Okay, let's try this out. Turning on.
Here we go.
Shoot. Oh, Dad, all the monkeys are screaming. You're ruining their habitat. Oh, no. Oh, no. You think your noses are feeling pretty good? Get your ears. Let's just to be sure.
My ears.
Get those ears.
Is there hair there?
Yeah, there's hair in your ears.
Really?
Yeah, tons of it.
Well, maybe that's why I can't hear.
Yeah. Whenever I seem to ask you if I can
Is there any
have
more
it.
hair there? I get it.
No, I think you got it. Well, okay, let's just make sure. Here, let's see it. Look at that. Nothing left. That is
Oh, it does feel
great.
a little more spacious in there.
I can really smell your farts. Wow.
Oh, good one.
Yep, okay. Well, I give the MANSCAPED Weed Whacker Electric Nose and Hair Trimmer a 5-star review. How about you, Dad? How many stars?
This is so nice, I'm going to leave it in my will for you
Oh,
when I move on.
that's great. Thank you. Woo!